United Nations envoy for Libya has urged the United Nations Security Council to press the immediate de-escalation of tension in Libya. Pakistan PM ordered the release of 6 older female prisoners. US imposes sanctions on ICC for targeting Americans. Afghanistan to move to Qatar 7 prisoners out by the Taliban. China commemorates the 75th anniversary of the end of the Pacific War. Trump says people in North Carolina should vote twice. Presumed Israeli strikes kill 16 pro-Iran fighters in Syria. In Mexico, 8 people were killed and 14 others wounded after assailant opened fire on a gathering in Cuernavaca City. Canada and the Netherlands have announced to formally join Gambia genocide case against Myanmar at the International Court of Justice. 118 more Chinese apps banned in India, including PUBG. Yemen renews call for urgent action on the Safar oil tanker issue. Iraq denies baseless report about OPEC.